Well, we're down here at Bull Shoals Lake again. As you can see, the lake is really come up. It's up about 11 foot, I think, from normal. Not much bank left here at Noland Point area to put in. I parked my pickup up the hill there. I don't like leaving it in like these guys do. If you had a bad seal, you'd be in trouble going home. We're gonna get out here and try to do a little crappie fishing today. See what we can do. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a nice day today. It's supposed to be in the 70s. Should be a really nice day. Guys should be able to catch some fish today. We're gonna give it a try. We'll either catch them or we won't. So stick around. We'll see if we can't get a limit of crappie in the boat, guys. There's a nice crappie. First crappie of the day. Hadn't been a very good day. So, what? There we go. Now we're getting something going. Good crappie. Well, there's the first keeper of the day. Sitting over a tree out here that's got some crappie sitting on it. I guess I should measure that fish. I didn't even measure him. I'm sure he's over 10, but oh yeah, he's almost 11 and a half. Well, hopefully we can get something going here. It's not been a very good day so far. Kind of sitting over a tree here that's got some fish on it. I'm sitting in 47 foot of water. The fish are down about 10-15 foot, somewhere like that. Sitting on a tree here. Well, we got another one. I don't know if that's a keeper or not. That one seems kind of short. Looks a little short. That fish is, I mean, an 1/8 inch short. Female anyway, she got some eggs. We'll let her go back. There you go, baby. My boat moved on me there, and I got off the trees while I wasn't catching any there for a little bit. There's another fish. Another shorty. Oop. Another short female, looks like. There you go, girl. There's a little better crappie. There's a little better crappie. Get him in the boat. Heck yeah. We'll take that one. Monkey milk. Bobby Garland monkey milk. Got her done. How long are you? You are about 11 inches. And we got 2 keepers so far. Oh, there's a fat one. On the orange and chartreuse. That fish looks a little short. We'll check that one. Believe you're a shorty. Yep, you're about You are about 9 3/4. There you go, little buddy. There is a good crappie. That is a good crappie. Big crappie, big crappie. Big old crappie. Get in there. Holy moly, boys. That is a toad. Holy moly. That is one nice crappie right there. That is a big crappie. Don't know how long that crappie will be, but sure is a nice one. How long we got here? We have got a 14 1/4. Well, I don't know where my scale is. If I can find it here in a little bit, I'll... Well, that's a nice crappie. I'm gonna give him a little more water. Now this fish, £1 15 ounces. 1 pound 15 ounces, what that fish weighs. Nice crappie. Best one of the day. So basically what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm sitting out over a tree. There's a tree down here below me, and I can see on my graph that there's fish on it. And basically just oh, I lost that fish. Basically just letting it go down. They're in about 15 foot of water. I'm setting in 43 foot of water, and the fish are about 15 foot down, right around the 15 foot mark is about where they're setting. Now I'm pretty much sitting right over top of them, just dropping it down into them, and that one might be a keeper. That one will be close. That one hit her on the fall, looks like. We'll see here. Well, that fish goes over the 10, so we're gonna keep that one. Hi, little bitty guy. There's a little bitty fish. Really little fish. Got something wrong with its kind of growth on its gills there. There you go, buddy. Well, we are just having a pretty good day here on the Bull. I started out pretty rough there. I run way up the lake, and should just start hitting my trees, but I run way up the lake there and tried to see if I could do any good, and I didn't. Everybody kept saying they're on the bank, so I thought I'd go in the backs of some coves, and I was not doing any good in the backs of the coves. I'd fishing around some docks and stuff, and figured I'd come back and hit some trees and see if I'd do any good. And I'm sure there's somebody today just tearing it up in the backs of creeks or backs of coves or whatever, but I did not do any good. One, I don't like fishing up in that brush. Every time you throw up there, you're hung up. I'd rather fish over trees. Well, we got another one here. I don't know if that one's going to be a keeper or not, though. That one looks a little short. We'll see here, though. No, that's a 10-inch fish. Another little fish. Little bitty guy. Well, there's a nice fish. Boy, they're not very deep. They're not very deep at all. Well, come on, buddy. Well, need to get the pliers on that one. It's got just a little too deep. There they are. I believe that fish will keep. Oh yeah, about 11-inch crappie. Well, we've got 4, 5. We got 6 fish. Well, I caught that one. I couldn't get the camera turned on. It's shorty anyway, but caught that one on the old slab buster. I couldn't find any of the Bobby Garland last time I was in town, so these slab busters are almost they're the same color. There you go, buddy. They're the same color. They're just they don't have the ridges on them, which I don't, it doesn't seem to affect it that much. I think it's the color more than anything. These are what they are, slab buster crappie jigs. I got them at Fin and Feather. They're in Springfield. There's a lot of places around that keep them though, but they're comparable to the Bobby Garland slab slayer. There's a nice crappie. Oh, black nose. Well, come on, net. Screw around here and lose him if I don't get the net working right. Oh, black stripe crappie. I didn't have him very good. He come off. It looks a little short. Tried the old pink and chartreuse just to see if they'd hit it. That little guy liked it. I believe he's going to be short. Let's see here. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he's 1/8 of an inch short. I mean, he's really close to the 10 line, but we'll let him go back since he's a little feller. There you go, buddy. Go back down there and tell the biggins to bite. There's another decent fish. Another decent fish. Let's see what this guy, he looks like a shorty too. Well, come on, buddy. Well, that dude choked it. Have to get the pliers out. There we go. That's another shorty. There you go, buddy. There, we got another nice crappie. That one might keep. Boy, that's another one of them that's, I mean, well, it goes over the 10 though. It goes over the 10. That's a female though. We'll let her go back. There you go, baby. Why would anybody run that close to somebody that's sitting here on the lake fishing? I mean, really. Why the hell would you do that? Well, I feel like I got a little bitty fish here. Not a very big one. Took a little one off this tree. Boy, that is a little fish. There you go. There we got one. Finally caught another fish. Been kind of slow here past a little bit. I believe he's gonna be a little short though. Oh yeah, he's about a 1/4 inch short, buddy. There you go. That fish is on there and I didn't even know he was on there. Little bitty guy. There you go, buddy. Fishing in this little cut again here that I fished in several times. There's a bed in here, MDC bed in here. There's some fish showing up on the ground. Well guys, that's gonna do it for me today down here on Bull Shoals. I did fairly good earlier, but here in the afternoon I have not done any good at all. I don't know where the fish have went or what they've done, but earlier I was catching them out here in deeper water around trees. I did try to fish up towards the shore. I did not catch one fish at all up by the shore. Everything I caught was around one tree out here in the deeper, like in 40 foot of water or so, and they were down about 15 foot. But I hadn't been down here to Bull Shoals in a while. The lake's up and I'm not used to fishing it when it's up. But so I'm gonna load the boat, head to the house and clean these. I think I got 6 fish. Best one was 14 1/4. We'll just try her again another day. I just want to thank everybody for watching my videos. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends. If you got any questions, put them in the comments down below or hit me up on my Jig and Crappie page. Thanks guys.